Hello and welcome to a new video of FMTTM Future of Finance. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to live off dividends and the top 5 dividend stocks to invest in. Before we get into how to live off dividends and the top 5 dividend stocks to invest in, I just want to take a moment to remind you that investing always carries some level of risk, and it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be investment advice. Let's get started. First of all, let's define dividends. A dividend is a distribution of a portion of a company's earnings to its shareholders. Many companies, especially those in the stock market, pay dividends to shareholders on a regular basis, such as quarterly or annually. So, how can you live off dividends? One strategy is to invest in dividend-paying stocks and use the dividends as a source of passive income. This can be a good option for those who are looking for a steady stream of income without having to actively trade stocks. However, it's important to note that living off dividends is not a get-rich-quick scheme and requires careful planning and strategic investing. Here are 6 key steps to consider when trying to live off dividends. 1. Determine your income needs. Before you start investing in dividend-paying stocks, it's important to have a clear understanding of how much income you need to live on. This will help you determine how much you need to invest and what kind of return you need to aim for. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key when it comes to investing in dividends. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across a range of different companies and industries. This will help to mitigate the impact of any single company's performance on your overall investment. 3. Choose high-quality companies. When selecting dividend-paying stocks, it's important to choose companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and a history of consistent dividend growth. It's also a good idea to look for companies with a solid financial foundation and a competitive advantage in their industry. 4. Consider the dividend yield. The dividend yield is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock price. A higher yield can potentially mean a higher income, but it's important to be cautious of stocks with extremely high yields, as they may be riskier investments. 5. Be patient. Building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks takes time. Don't expect to see immediate returns. Instead, be patient and focus on the long-term potential of your investments. 6. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. It's important to regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. This may include selling stocks that are underperforming or adding new investments that align with your goals. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to living off dividends. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a good option for those who are looking for a steady stream of passive income, but it's important to be cautious and do your due diligence. Remember to determine your income needs, diversify your portfolio, choose high-quality companies, consider the dividend yield, be patient, and regularly monitor and rebalance your portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the top 5 best dividend stocks. 1. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a multinational healthcare company that has been paying dividends for over 100 years. It has a strong track record of consistent dividend growth, with an average yield of around 2.5% over the past 10 years. In addition to its well-known consumer products, such as Band-Aid and Tylenol, Johnson & Johnson also has a significant presence in the pharmaceutical and medical device industries. This diversification helps to make Johnson & Johnson a stable and reliable investment. 2. Procter & Gamble, PG. Procter & Gamble is a consumer goods company that has been paying dividends for over 125 years. It has a well-established brand portfolio, including household names such as Tide laundry detergent and Crest toothpaste. Procter & Gamble has an average yield of around 2.5% over the past 10 years and a history of steady dividend growth. The company's strong brand recognition and diverse product offerings make it a solid choice for dividend investors. 3. Coca-Cola, KO. Coca-Cola is a well-known multinational beverage company that has been paying dividends for over 50 years. It is the largest beverage company in the world and has a strong brand and a history of consistent dividend growth. Over the past 10 years, Coca-Cola has had an average yield of around 3%. In addition to its flagship Coca-Cola brand, the company also owns a number of other well-known brands, such as Sprite, Fanta, and Dasani. Coca-Cola's strong global presence and diverse brand portfolio make it a reliable choice for dividend investors. Number 4, PepsiCo, PEP. PepsiCo is a multinational food and beverage company that has been paying dividends for over 40 years. It has a diverse portfolio of brands, including well-known names such as Lay's potato chips, Gatorade, and Tropicana. PepsiCo has an average yield of around 2.5% over the past 10 years and a history of steady dividend growth. The company's strong brand recognition and diverse product offerings make it a solid choice for dividend investors. Number 5, IBM. IBM is a technology company that has been paying dividends for over 100 years. It has a strong track record of consistent dividend growth and is known for its stability and reliability as an investment. IBM has an average yield of around 4% over the past 10 years. The company is a leader in the tech industry and has a wide range of products and services, including cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. IBM's strong financial foundation and diverse product offerings make it a reliable choice for dividend investors. So, there you have it, the top 5 best dividend stocks. These companies have strong track records of dividend growth, diversified product offerings, and solid financial foundations, making them reliable choices for dividend investors. Now you know how to live on dividends and the top 5 best dividend stocks, but remember to do your due diligence and only invest what you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments.